So just a quick video. I did XM radio in my X3, and how I was able to do it is I have that Rugged Radio 660 Plus, and I just bought an adapter cable from Rugged Radio. And was able to just plug that in, then just plug it into my cigarette lighter. I ran my antenna up onto my top of my rack, and you can hear it. Got XM satellite radio coming out of my headphones. So it's a quick little video to get you through Tuesday. We enjoy riding, and we don't always like to listen to the music I have on my iPhone, so it gives us a nice variety out there when we're riding on the trails.